So,
right.
2023, we actually did get some work done on the Jeep.
We did. Look,
Only just. Okay?
didn't say when 2023, but
No.
we did it. So no, we have got to start. Yeah, so we'll just do a bit of a end of year roundup video. We'll do some.
So really we did fuck all on this.
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah, it's sort of like,
So to make ourselves feel better, we're going to put up the stuff we did finish.
yeah.
So we'll do a little bit of that, and then some of the events we went to, we'll do some highlights, and then you can go back and look at them all
And be mesmerised.
and be.
Isn't that it?
Yeah, yeah. But we are going to work on this. We've done the hard bit.
We got the motor and box out, pulled the front sheet metal off. Probably going to have to do a very small firewall recess, I think, because this, what is it? Barrows have got this funny bloody dorsal fin hanging off the bottom of their wing some stupid idea, which means it dictates your height. So really, that's the height we've got to stay at. This chassis is narrower than like the Falcon. So normally what would happen on the side of the Barra, you've got these outriggers and then you've got the engine mounts go down like that. So basically I'm going to piss that off and try and use the original mounts but pull them in closer to the block. That's the factory gearbox mount. So that'll work quite nicely to the K-frame that's already in there, so we'll be able to use that. And I really would like to try and use the original radiator and fan, but I got to
Modify stuff.
a little bit of trickery fuckery,
Yeah.
rejigging shit to see if I can make it work. Because if I can, I would rather try and use the factory radiator and fan, and then we get to use the condenser and all that sort of shit. It just means that it's going to be easier to get it running. I've got to notch that out a little bit to fit the alt motor, which I had to take off to just get this sitting in here the other day.
But we got a bit done.
Yeah.
We said goodbye to 2023.
Yeah. I got my car running. Well, I got my motor running.
Motor running, but it's only
And that was 2023 as well.
Late.
I had like
4 hours ago.
no. Don't exaggerate. I told you a million times. Don't exaggerate. It was what's midnight. So hang on. When did we get it running? About 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So what's that? 8 hours.
6 hours, 8 hours.
8 hours to spare. Hey, I said it was going to be running in 2023. I didn't say driving, but we actually ran the motor in, ran the cam in, and now my shed's got shit from arsehole to breakfast time. So I still haven't had a chance to clean it up. But anyway.
So enjoy the video.
Yeah.
Merry New Year.
Yeah.
And yeah, like, subscribe, hit notifications and stuff.
Send us free shit. I don't know. You see all these
The famous people get stuff sent to them.
Yeah, I know.
We're asking for trouble. People are going to send us powder,
I don't care.
poo,
Hey,
poo in a box.
If it's in a box, doesn't matter.
Yeah.
You know, hey, I said poo to the government. When you turned 50, you said poo to the government.
Oh, you would have done that years ago.
Yeah, don't start. I've had to do it a few times. Yeah. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, for the Americans or...
Oh yeah, probably don't know yet.
They probably don't know, but when you turn 50 in Australia, they send you a box and you basically got to send them a poo sample.
Yeah. Free bowel cancer.
It's a bowel cancer screening, so that's why basically we call it shit in a box and you send it to the government.
It just makes
It makes you feel good.
Makes you feel good.
Yeah, that's exactly
Like shit in
right.
a box
Yeah,
and send it to the government.
Fuck 'em. Yeah.
In America, they just send anthrax.
Yeah, no, you can't say that. You might get cancelled. Okay.
I'm not on Epstein's Island.
We're going to be in America in a couple of weeks.
Yeah.
A few weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks.
3 times this year, 3 trips.
Yeah.
We've got to bombard you guys with.
Yeah, so we're going to Grand National Roadster Show.
Good Guys Pleasanton.
No, hang on, no, for this trip. Grand National Roadster Show. Moon Eyes Christmas Party. Late Christmas Party. And Long Beach Swap Meet.
No, that's the same.
Oh, is it? Oh, what are we doing this time? Oh,
Moon
so
Eyes at Grand
just
National.
Moon Eyes with Grand National. Okay. So then SEMA we're doing...
SEMA, Nitro Revival,
And Long Beach swap meet.
And then in August we'll do Good
Pleasanton.
Guys Pleasanton and San Francisco
Yeah.
and stuff. So
Yeah.
cool. Enjoy.
So yeah. it.